Alright, y'all, I'm coming to you with I call these like the pop socket silicone rollers. I got these off of Amazon, and I actually realized when I ordered them that they came in different sizes. So we have some small ones like here, and then we have the larger size here. So there we have it. So I'm going to install these. Pray my strength in the Lord. If you haven't already, just take one quick second, go down below and click that subscribe button. And once you do that, that bell notification button is going to pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let's get into this. All right, here we are with the application. As you can see, divided my hair into 4 sections. It works easier for me. And so I'm using medium-sized sections on the rollers and trying to use the larger size ones first. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus, I think it is, styling curling foam. And I am going to apply that all over my hair and just pop that roller open. And the same way you would do a perm rod. Just wrap your ends around, make sure they're secure, and roll it up. And then it seemed pretty easy to just flip the suction part over it and it's on. I heard a lot of people, or I've watched some videos and a lot of people said this was difficult. For me, it really wasn't difficult. It seemed very easy and kind of self-explanatory. So yeah, I don't know where people were getting that from. I will say that some of the suction rollers were loose, but as I was rolling them and kind of got into a flow, I learned a little bit of a trick or technique to help secure the suction closer to my scalp so that I had a fuller curl and fuller definition from roots to end. And if you all can't tell already, I did blow dry my hair for this style. Whenever I do flexi rods or perm rod sets, I've just noticed that I like them better when my hair is blown out or in a more stretched state. So as you saw, one of the rollers was loose, but here is where I learned a little trick to get the roller to be nice and secure. So once you get it to the root, twist it and then flip the suction over it, and that allows it to be tighter. This is where I had my epiphany. So I'm going to show you all again. So you're rolling the same way on the ends, making sure to secure the end around the suction roller, and then you're going to wrap your hair around it, just going up. Then once you get the roller up, you're going to twist it and then secure the suction over top of it, so that way it is more flush to your scalp and it's not just dangling. So I'm just continuing this last section. I only had a few rollers, but I made it work. I did see some people say that their rollers came out while they were sleeping. I didn't really have that issue at all. So yeah, I think I found a method that works. Alright, y'all, I finished and I still have 2 little suction cups left. Yay! So there we go. The back is probably bigger. I can't see it. I don't know. Alright, so I'm just gonna put a bonnet on and I'll meet y'all in the morning to take these down. Alright, up and ready to go the next morning to take these down. And I found another roller, so I still had 3 left. So I could have made smaller sections at the end. And these were really easy to take out. Just flip the suction up and then twist them out of your hair. As you can see, got some big, chunky spiral curls. Some of them not so much. And I think that's partially from my technique, but I tried to make it work. So I'm just shaking my hair to loosen it up. And you can see those frizzy parts. OMG, that frustrated me to no end. So now I'm just going through and separating each curl, making sure to keep the definition. Yeah, not so much there. And here I'm trying to make it work. That's all I'm gonna say.
This is a partial fail because some of the curls are poofy and some of them look good. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Dang, I thought I had a method. I guess I didn't get close to the roots on all of them. But yeah. Looks like this is going in a box.
So after spending a few minutes of trying to make it work, I just decided to fluff all the curls out and wear my big juicy fro because I was not going to be defeated and I had to go to work. So here I am just pulling some curls apart and making it work, honey, because your boss, you can't call out because your hair is bad.
Watch me get a whole bunch of compliments on my hair today. Watch. All right, y'all. Here's my finished results. You know, I don't hate it. A nice big fluffy fro. Okay. This is what we're going with. I'm with it. So I guess next time I do this, I need to do smaller sections or even sections that are close to the same size and just focus where I put the different size rollers, because the pack that I got, some of them were smaller than the others. So I'll definitely do that next time. But I did like the curls. I just have to do better methods and to make sure I get the roller tight so I don't have these issues. But hey, you live, you learn. And you still gotta go to work. That's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.